Hey, I'm going to show you how to use the stream digitizing mode with the QGIS AI Vectorizer. So I'm here in QGIS. I have loaded a historical map, actually from the Austro-Hungarian Empire. Right now we're in Serbia. And let's say that I am vectorizing some of these parcel outlines. So normally, if I had my scratch layer here, I can just use the Vectorize with AI button, which you can find install instructions on our website. And I can zoom into the line that I wanted to vectorize and just start it. And it'll autocomplete as needed. And so for this line, this is pretty satisfactory. But you could see perhaps we wanted to do a more complex line that had to have some more manual intervention. So that's perhaps this line. Let's see how it works. So the model got a little bit confused here. So what we're going to do instead is we're going to cut it and then switch into stream digitizing mode. Stream digitizing mode can be accessed using this button here, where we switch into stream digitizing, or by default in QGIS, you can switch to it with the R key. So I'm going to use the Shift key to cut first, and then I'm going to hit R to change into stream digitizing mode. That will continuously add points wherever I move my mouse. And so I'm going to move it through this a little bit more complex part, and then once I'm done, I'm going to hit R again to turn it off, and then I'm back to the normal mode. And I can hit and get more completions out. Again, we had some more issues because it's a little bit complex. So I'm going to hit Shift to cut, and then I'm going to hit R, and I'm just going to guide the model through that part. So you can use stream digitizing mainly by the keyboard shortcut, but you can also go into the toolbar and change to stream digitizing and use it just as if you were using the normal add line feature. Thanks, and happy digitizing.